One of these days, we'll just put, instead of us even editing, because it takes a while, just do the song in the background of one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That same.
I was like, you just pull up the songs like YouTube already allows you to. We'll just buy the like get the rights.
Let's do it. Oh, yeah. The only thing with having that in the background though is now we have to add them into our description. That's the only part that sucks. Is it copyrighted, that last one that you uploaded with that music from?
It wasn't copyrighted. We just needed to buy the license, which was $0.
Yeah. Or it sent me a message. Watch, I'll show you. It still didn't like it for some reason. We'll see. Well, I'll post this one right away and see if they take it down or not. See if they like it or.
Hello.
I guess I didn't sign in here.
No, it's okay.
Well, how much is just a regular haircut?
Regular haircuts are 40.
Pardon me?
40.
Cool. All right, thank you.
No problem. But if you just want this in the background, that's easy. I can pull the
Yeah, we'll
other
put
music
one
out.
in the.
Easy.
Or we'll just add a song in the background. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And
It's easy.
see if they. See how that one does. Remember, we never added a new one with a. We're just putting a song in there. Yeah, they did something. I'll show you. I don't know if it is or isn't because it shows the green money sign on. So it's like, I don't know if they copyrighted it or not. And they sent me a message that they did, but I'm like, for what? I don't see any strikes.
No, so what they're gonna do is they're automatically gonna send you the message anyways.
Oh, just because we use that music?
Because the system pulls up the music.
I got you.
But then because you bought the little license,
Yes.
then you're good to go.
I think that's how it is too.
It's the system.
Yeah.
It's checks. So it's like, yes, something pulled up, but then it runs its files and then it.
Because under my copyright thing, it doesn't show anything on there, which is good.
As long as you don't get an actual strike, you're good.
Well, I don't want to get a strike, but I don't want to get a copyright claim either, though. Just because if you get too many of those, they'll unmonetize.
If they get you for copyright and it's like an actual issue, it's considered a strike.
Well, no, not always, because I've got copyright claims that weren't strikes. The strike is different. You have to do something real bad to get a strike. Like worse than a copyright claim. Yeah, the strike is a whole different.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, the strike is the strike will get your channel removed. So if you go against their guidelines, then you'll get a strike. A copyright claim is a different story. But if you have too many copyright claims, it turns into a strike.
Oh, maybe that's what you're talking about.
Trust me, I know that, like, you know, without a doubt. That's why I don't ever want you playing music in the background. Just because I can't take the chance of, you know, losing it. That's where I say I don't even fool with it.
I got you.
But on this one, we'll just remove the audio and put something on there that way. Even in the background, if someone's fucking plays a song it's over. Unless you remove it and... And I have like 4 copyright claims because the beginning of my channel, I used to just put music. So, I mean, you know, you never know. One more copyright claim could send me to the cleaner. And if I had the music, I don't like this in the background. I just do so it isn't awkward for me and him. Like, I don't really care that they hear it or not. Like, it just for the awkwardness of me and like whoever the client is. That way it doesn't.
Even more reason then.
That way it doesn't like kill the vibe. But I don't play it because I care what song it is for sure. Like if I want to add a song, I'll just add it like from the actual library into the and have nothing in the background.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like.
That's what we'll do with this one, just because. Yeah, that music I put up there, like, you know, I could switch it and do this and that, but I'm like, I don't know. It's so low or whatever, even when it's up a little bit there. It's just for background. And not really even for the video, just so we don't... Look, if I know the client, I won't have anything on.
Yeah.
Because then it's like, he already knows what I'm doing. It's not going to be awkward or weird.
Yeah.
But if it's like this homie who I don't know well, and I just kind of usually pop it on just so they don't, you know... They forget what's happening or... And how are you gonna comb the hair on top?
I usually just do a comb over and I'll go like kind of up and back.
Yeah, I got you. Because I'll make it separate here and everything. Do this. And this and then... Yeah, because that's what you heard before. And we can keep the length, right?
Yeah.
I'll just pop it together to where sick. See, that's nice. That'll work. Oh, yeah. Tiny little bald spot, but nothing too bad. It's the way your hair goes in that area. It's just a little bald spot. No, I'm just kidding. There isn't. There'd be no way in God's green fucking earth. I love how it's like fucking bald spot. It's like, I knew a barber that done that to you to be like, oh, there's a little bald spot, but it's because the way your hair grows. And it's like, dude, you say that to everybody. It's like, shit. Yeah, there was some girl on YouTube now, and she left me a message, and she's like, oh, I know how to flip the shears. Maybe I should start a channel and do that. And it's like, yeah, you should. Some girl who's a barber. She must be a barber or stylist out here, and I told her, come by so you can stop by. She like reached out to you saying she wanted to do something about a video collaboration, and it's like, go ahead, come by. We need all the YouTubers we can get here in Albuquerque. A lot of the parents are telling their kids not to do YouTube. It's like, no, you should. Don't be like your broke mother and father. Do you want anything in your hair?
No, I'm good, thanks.
All right. Let's see it. That looks better. That's good. Catch this last little one.
That looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright,